welcome to Brilliant Vision. I'm in one of our production workshops and we're here to see how the frames are shaped by the CNC machine. Come with me. So this is the most important part of the front production of eyewear. Let's see how it's done. As you can see, this is the automatic machine. The raw material, acetate, is inserted into the machine and shaped into the frame, like this. So the data is inputted in this part of the machine. The data is very important because the data is from the technical drawing. Over here we have the semi-automatic machines. The semi-automatic machines cannot operate on their own. They need someone to operate them. And just like the automatic machine, important data has to be put inside the machine from the technical drawing for it to operate. Let's check it out. You can see in details how the frame is perfectly shaped. It's well done, it's carefully done, brilliantly done. Like I said earlier, that the data is one of the most important things that has to be put inside the machine in order to produce the perfect frame. So this is some of the technical drawings. The data is taken from the technical drawing. Another semi-automatic machines. Another one. Thank you so much, and that's it for one of our most important front productions here at Brilliant Vision. Don't forget to visit our official website at bvsunglasses.com and also our social media platforms. Bye-bye.